Security camera types explained. Best for your home or business. Thinking of getting a security camera but feeling swamped by terms like IP, PTZ, PoE, dome, and bullet? Take a breath. You're in the right place. I'll break down the main camera types in plain words. With real examples, we can easily highlight their pros and cons, so you can pick the right one and make a smart investment that actually fits your space and needs without overpaying. Part 1. The big basic categories by landscape. Let's kick off with the basics. What are the main types of CCTV and security cameras? You'll hear a lot of names, but most fall into these groups. Dome cameras. Think of those sleek, half-sphere designs you see in malls and offices. These are ceiling or wall-mounted, with a design that hides which way the camera is pointing. A great theft and vandalism deterrent. Bullet cameras. Typically the long tube-shaped cameras you spot outdoors or at parking lots. These are perfect for monitoring a fixed location like a driveway or backyard. They're visible, act as a deterrent, and handle weather really well. PTZ cameras. Pan, tilt, zoom, the rock stars of flexibility. You can control them remotely, move them up, down, and sideways, and zoom in on suspicious activity. Ideal for covering big areas like warehouses, shopping centers, or if you just want to play spy agent from your smartphone. Box cameras. These look a bit old school. It's in a rectangular box, but with interchangeable lenses, they're very customizable for things like reading license plates or monitoring a far-off gate. Fisheye 360-degree cameras. Want a single camera to see an entire room or open area at once? Fisheye or panoramic cameras give you that bird's-eye view. Imagine one camera in the middle of a ceiling replacing several normal ones. Hidden/covert cameras, shaped like clocks, smoke detectors, or even USB chargers, designed for discreet surveillance. Use responsibly and check your local privacy laws before placing these. Part 2. Which technology is best? So you've picked a style. Now, let's decode how these cameras connect and transmit video. Analog CCTV. This is the original. Analog cameras feed video to a DVR, digital video recorder, via coax cables. Usually budget-friendly and reliable for small businesses, but limited in image quality and installation flexibility. Digital/IP cameras. These are today's standard for high-definition security. Internet Protocol IP cameras send data digitally over your network, making it easier to integrate with other smart home devices, view footage remotely on your phone, and get crisp HD images. Wireless cameras. These use Wi-Fi to transmit video, great for DIY setups and renters. Most are easy to install, but you'll need a solid Wi-Fi connection and a plan for charging or changing batteries for truly wire-free models. PoE cameras. These IP cameras use a single Ethernet cable for both power and data. Cleaner installs, no separate power cords, and more stable than Wi-Fi. Perfect for homes and businesses that want HD video with reliability. Quick application examples. Analog, wired. Great for budget or legacy setups. IP, wired or wireless, best for modern homes or smart offices. Wireless. Perfect for apartments or temporary monitoring. Hidden. Use with caution. Great for retail/employee theft protection. Part 3. What's right for you, home and business? Let's get practical. How do you choose? For most homes, a mix of bullet cameras for driveways/yards and dome cameras for entryways. Go for IP or wireless models for easy installation and mobile access. Look for night vision, motion alerts, and two-way audio. For business/commercial, dome cameras for entry/exit points. PTZ for large floor spaces or parking. Box or LPR, license plate recognition, for gate control. Prefer wired/PoE cameras for best reliability. Special features to consider: night vision and weather resistance. Non-negotiable if outdoors. Smart detection. Person, vehicle, package. Cut down on false alarms. Cloud/local storage options. Ensure you never lose critical footage. Want a great example? Check out the Eufy SoloCam S340 or Floodlight Cam E340. Both cram in 2K plus resolutions, night vision, smart alerts, and have models for indoor, outdoor, and wide area monitoring. You can mix and match these in your setup for complete coverage. Remember, the right security camera can make all the difference for your peace of mind. If this helped you cut through the confusion, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Drop your questions below or share your own CCTV stories. Stay safe and see you in the next video.